This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 3 XL versus the OnePlus 6. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845. The Pixel has 4 gigs of RAM. OnePlus 6 has a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. Both are on Android Pie. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Pixel 3. And we are in! Going to the settings of the Pixel and go to the battery. And as you can see, I turned off the adaptive battery. This may have a negative impact on the multitasking of this phone. So I turn that off, take it out the equation. Clear this out of the background. Nothing open in the background of the OnePlus. Same thing with the Pixel, so you can see. Messages app, about the same. Camera. Ooh, I don't know. Clock on both, about the same. Run the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome on both. Search for GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar and similar performance on both. Go to the desktop version. And again, about the same on both. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on both. Leave that in the background. Calculator on both. Maybe a little bit faster on the OnePlus. Play Store. Same performance thus far. Let's see. Let me click on this one. Leave it on this page. Amazon shopping. Similar performance, maybe OnePlus a little bit faster. Click on the deal of the day, leave it on that page. eBay, a little bit faster on the OnePlus. Click on this MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, leave it on that page. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the OnePlus 6. Tap to begin. Pixel actually faster running the game. And leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. OnePlus is out in front. We'll confirm that in a second. And OnePlus 6. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers New Orleans. Ooh, very close. Tap to play. And leave that in the background. PUBG. OnePlus out in front. And give this to the OnePlus 6. What's going on with the Pixel? There you go. Leave it right there. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Both are neck and neck. Woo! So close. Snapchat. OnePlus on this. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now on the Pixel 3, remember I did turn off the adaptive battery. So let's see what happens right now, starting with San Andreas. Good to go on the Pixel 3, and I don't know what happened to the OnePlus on that one. PUBG. And Pixel's reloading this one. Good to go on the OnePlus. Subway Surfers. And Pixel's reloading this. Good to go on the OnePlus. Temple Run 2. Pause and ready to resume on the OnePlus. Pixel's reloading this. Mario Run. Ready to play on the right. Pixel reloading this. eBay. Faster on the OnePlus, as you can see. A little bit of a lag on the Pixel. Amazon. Good to go on the OnePlus. Play Store. Same place. Calculator. A little bit faster on the right. Chrome. Still on GSM Arena. clock on both phones, still running the stopwatch. Camera. I think the OnePlus was faster on that one. Messages. Boom. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel, rocking the Pixel 3 XL or last year's Pixel 2, the original Pixel, or even a Nexus 6P? These phones on the latest version of Android with timely security updates, arguably the best camera on a smartphone right now. Or are you on Team OnePlus? These phones coming in with excellent specs for about half the price of some of these flagship phones. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.